Okay, hi guys. So it's beautiful Tuesday afternoon here on Grand Cayman, and I'm sitting on my computer, but I need to get off my computer. It's not good. But guys, I'm very fascinated. I'm really excited about this. I've been researching for like a long time, and now I found a sorry if the camera is shaking. I'm trying to talk and enjoy the salt water and enjoy the sun at the same time. I found an awesome program. It's digital. Well, it's affiliate marketing, right? For those of you guys that are really techy, you know what that means easily. It's called affiliate marketing. Oh, you see my face? Okay, okay, because my camera's into the sun, facing the sun, should not be. So, I do an affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where you find a product, right? For those you don't know, so excuse me for those you do know, you take a product and you promote it. I was building my own YouTube course because so many people asked me how I did that. So I was going to create my own YouTube my own channel at Jackie's FEC for those of you who want to log on. And so, but I found I used to post some great stuff on TikTok, right? I'm not on social media. Yes, I am for business reasons, but not for personal reasons. It takes up too much of your time. But for business, social media can be awesome. So I found affiliate marketing, which again is a great, you guys might also have heard about MRR, Master Resale Rights. And it's where you buy courses, guys, and then you can resell them for 100%. So there's a lot on, I found TikTok is more of a platform. TikTok is a much better platform, I think, for promoting like products and digital products as well as physical. And again, I learned a lot on there about master resale rights, and that's kind of basically when you buy a course and then you get the rights because you purchased it. You have the rights then to resell it, right? To resell that course, and you get 100% commission. The only thing is that means you gotta have all the payment gateways set up. But so I like affiliate marketing because all we need to do then is promote that product, and then a company sells it back. So let's just say I'm John and I sold to Jean and I promoted to Jean. Jean then has to go buy it with my link, right? With my link, and I get the commission from that link. But the owner or the creator of the course sells it to them, but I still get a commission. So I don't need to have a lot of handling. But let me race to say, first of all, for those of you in the Cayman Islands, I think everyone understands we've had a serious problem here for a long time with payment gateways, okay? Payment gateways. But thankfully, in a lot of these courses, they pay you by PayPal. They pay you by PayPal. But the good news is I found a system that you can tie to PayPal. Another card, another payment system that you just attach onto PayPal. And I'll be very nice with you, okay? If you have a Wise card. I was going to create a course about that, but I'm giving you guys free information. Some of the stuff, guys, I have spent thousands over the years just learning this and learning this and learning this and learning this. So happy to show it to you guys. So now, yeah, if you get paid through PayPal, yes, you can spend your money on buying other stuff with PayPal, whether you want to buy furniture, whatever, and sell it back. Or B, we can show you that for those of you who don't have Wise. I can show you how to get your Wise card and your Wise system, and you tie your PayPal to your Wise, and voila. At least I've tried it so far, where I've moved money from my PayPal into my Wise bank account, and voila, right? So then you should use your debit card. So that, guys, if you're interested in learning more about, I'm brand new to it. I'm using the product. I bought the product, and I've had to set up my TikTok shop. You'll find a lot of this stuff can kind of work you hard too if you're not techy. But what I like about this course, they also will build your whole beacon or stand store, and that's where you can have the affiliate. When you're ready to promote it, you have the store, email marketing there, link in bio. Only thing about link in bio, have not been able to do that yet. because you need 1,000 followers, right? If you have 1,000 followers on TikTok, that's great. If you do not have 1,000 followers, you can't put link in bio yet. So yes, you can put the link to your product, right? But it's not clickable.